Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix PC randomly shutting down in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is here at the bottom search bar, you need to search for advanced system settings. Just type advanced system, and the moment you've typed that, the best match, which is view advanced system settings, will appear. Click on open to continue. The moment you click on it, the system properties would appear, and you would be redirected here at the advanced. Proceed to the third, which is startup and recovery, and click on settings. The moment you click on that, this under the system failure, this automatically restart must be unchecked. Okay, simply uncheck that and click on OK. Once done, check if your problem has been fixed, okay? Unless if it doesn't, then let's move on to our second step, which is at the bottom search bar again. This time you will type Control Panel and then click on Open to continue. So here at the Control Panel window, just expand it first, okay? So here you need to go for View By if your window doesn't look like this and change this into category. Okay, once done, proceed to hardware and sound and go with power options. Click on it. The moment you've clicked on it, you need to go with change plan settings. Okay, and go with change advanced power settings. Here under the advanced settings, you need to go with hard disk. Click on it and then go with turned off hard disk after. Change the battery into 180 and as well as the plugged in, change this into 180 as well. Okay, and once done, proceed to PCI Express. So scroll down and proceed to PCI Express and go with link state power management, sorry, and change the on battery to off and plugged in to off. Once done, scroll down and go with processor power management. Okay. Make sure that the minimum processor state is in 0. Click on apply and then OK. Once done, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. Unless if it doesn't, then you need to open your control panel again. At the bottom search bar, type control panel. Click on open. The moment you click on it, go back to hardware and sound, click on it, and proceed to power options. Okay? And here you need to go with change what the power buttons do. Click on it. And here, go with change settings that are currently unavailable. And here under the shutdown settings, you would see there an option, the very first option, which is turned on fast startup. Just uncheck the box and then go with save changes. Once done, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? Unless if it doesn't, then let's move on to our next step, which is here at the bottom search bar, you need to type CMD to search for command prompt. Go with run as administrator. When user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed to yes. And here you need to paste a command which I'll be including at the description box below. So let me just copy this, Control C, then Control V, then click enter. Okay, once done, close this window and you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, open again the command prompt. Type CMD, go with run as administrator, and when your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed to yes. And here at the command prompt, you need to paste this command, which is sfc space / scan now. Okay, let me just type it, sfc space / scan now. Then click enter. So this will do system scan. It will take some time. Just have to wait until the process will be done, and don't turn off this command prompt. I mean your computer, and don't close this command prompt window unless the process has been done. Once done, proceed to this by pasting this second command. Okay, and paste it here, and just have to, I mean, paste this there at the command prompt, and then once done, close this window, and you need to restart your computer. So the moment you have restarted your computer, your problem will be fixed and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.